William Ruto o Kenya amono mwabo o Uganda Yoweri Museveni nigo asubwamo babekire rigana ryo musingi bwoko gwacho kwireria SGR eyira chikubwatirania chinse ichibere nigo moyoboyo one kiwase county ya Kisumu asabarai au baikirana kati yabo omurai bw'ikyama gya ODM Oburu Oginga mwaziro monene Musalia Mudavadi mwaziro Tendeto Bosombi Davis Chirichiri negati yabande abo batabire getange gikereri kego chigwikirana asamagacho nigo bono kirane ke uchumi bosoko kine uchumi yechinse che orogongo rwa Afrika ya mocha anene mono ya Kenya na Uganda.
When our late Prime Minister Raila Odinga was appointed the Africa Union High Representative on matters infrastructure, one of the most consequential suggestions that he made is the connection of the East African region to the West African region.
The railway is part of the rationalization of our transport system, especially on the Uganda side, which is irrational and wasteful. Why? Because the items being transported are concentrated on the road, i.e. passengers, light cargo, heavy cargo, petroleum products, are all on the roads. Sasa hivi usafiri kwa barabara ni mchanganyiko. Kwa lugha za Uganda tunasema akatogo. Akatogo means kuchanganya maharagwe na ndizi. So the transport now is akatogo on the roads.
Why we have not connected the two great trading partners, Uganda and Kenya. Maybe this should have been the first connector, given the fact that the trade between Kenya and Uganda is what really keeps us going in terms of the intertrade within the region.
Mr. President, this is a show of commitment to developing infrastructure. Without proper infrastructure, Your Excellencies, it is impossible to connect our three countries. These three countries of Uganda, Kenya, and Tanzania.
Hii mambo ambayo inafanyika Kisumu leo, sio mambo ya Kisumu peke yake. Wale watu ambayo watatumia hii reli, watatoka Nairobi, wafike Narok, wafike Bomet, wafike Nyamira, wafike Sondu, wafike hapa Kisumu, waende paka Uganda.
Excellency President William Ruto, you are the champion of the Africa Continental Free Trade Area on behalf of the African Union. Both of you, Your Excellencies, have a very strong passion for integration, for bringing better coordination and trade and unity and communication within the African states. And therefore, our being here is a very strong and emphatic stamp of approval for the objectives, the ideals, and the goals that you stand for.